Well, with just 41,000 miles, this 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1LT Coupe could be just the car you're looking for. Beautiful car, low miles, and priced right. Beautiful torch red on the exterior, jet black on the interior. Under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the multi-mode exhaust, chrome wheels, remote start, dual power seats, Bose 9-speaker AM/FM, XM, MP3, USB stereo, has those steering wheel controls as well, and MyLink. This car features the Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar tilt-n-tele side airbags, rear view camera, power windows. Well, everything on this car is power. It's cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. Best of all, comes with a clean Carfax. This 2015 Corvette Stingray shows, as we said, just 41,585 miles. It's in good condition. The car's paint is in very good condition, has a great shine. The factory chrome wheels are in place. And the interior of this car, well, the interior of this 2015 Corvette Stingray shows very good seat, center console, very good to excellent steering wheel and door panels. Additions to this car include a body color Z51 style rear spoiler and black Lloyd cut pile floor mats with embroidery. The car features a corrosion-free subframe. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net. You want to know the pricing on this car, see more detailed photos of it, get all that information right below this video. You can click on that link and it will take you right to where you can see every detail about this car. Again, give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavette.net at 770-414-5552. We ship nationwide, less expensive than you can ever imagine, and we are an online dealer as well. You can always welcome to come into our showroom and browse the Corvettes as you pass through Atlanta, but we make buying online something you can do with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. Again, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.